2 today, baby. Alright, y'all, we back. Just got done gassing up. We're gonna continue on with a little more riding and testing. Pretty decent runs in there. I'm still getting used to the bike and you know how fast it goes to the gears and accelerators. That's just gonna come with time, man. Getting used to the shift points and everything like that. Good starting mile an hour and everything, because obviously the mile an hour is way the hell off with the gearing being different. Stock is 1741 and I'm on 1641, so there's no telling how off it is really. So I'm gonna still try to aim to do like 60 rolls, because I'm sure it's gonna be lower than that anyway, to see where it ends up being. So other than that though, she's running very great, man. Very, very great. So, but like I said earlier, I am one of the heavier guys. Me and David on the booster, we heavyweight gang for sure. The other two guys, other than Ronald, are bigger dudes too. But you know, we're both, I think without gear, we both weighed 242 the other day. So I never weighed myself with my helmet, jacket, and gloves. So I really don't know what I weigh with that. That'd be something I have to test, check out. So let's talk about this economy though. My air fuels is pretty butter now. John made like one more little quick adjustment based on some footage I sent, and the long one of the Woolwich box was acting right, and it's pretty good. Just, you know, mid-13s for the most part, just cruising around. It does get to close to 14 at some point, but not bad for literally just 2 revisions. That's it. So we still got stuff we could do, but right now I'm happy with it. You know, it's straight. And wide open throttle pulls and stuff, we'll see what it looks like now. But I know when I was doing 1st through 5th hits in my last video, it was mostly in the high 12s, is what we were targeting, about 12.8ish. You know, and earlier today I just did a quick just hold on 6 to see what it did, and it literally pegged like 12.7 the whole time. So we leave a little room to play with just in case. You know, obviously we don't have X85, so I'm not guaranteed to get an 85% content every time at the pump. So better safe than sorry. I'm not looking to squeeze every little bit out necessarily. I'd rather be safe. And shoot, that's what we doing. Johnny Law and the boys out here right now. He looks familiar too. He looked like the trooper that used to live by my parents. Yeah, gotta be careful with them. They got a job to do. Got another sheriff out here, boy. They might just ruin our fun today. See, in a matter of a minute, I'm about to put this cruise control on, boy. Y'all gotta play it messed up. This is why I got this thing. Y'all think I was playing, didn't want to lose cruise, and I want to cruise on the K67 if I got one? This is why right now. Perfect time to get one, or be using it. Perfect time. I got a stretch and everything, and you can still do cruise. So just so you guys know, it is still possible. Very much so. Finally! Woo! Feels good, boy! Finally! Finally! Oh my God, bruh. I've been trying to get that done forever, man. Finally! Boys, yeah! I'm gonna let him head nod this time. It's only fair. It's only fair. So, boy, redemption feels so good. Oh, what a run! What a run! What a run! I want to try to run Rollin again, see what happens. But yeah, what a rush, man. What a rush. Feels good to get a dub finally. Remember last time I wanted to win, man. So it feels good to get a dub, but bro's bike is still disgusting, man. And you know, it's a 13 or 14 HP4. Technology has changed so much, but that bike is still hanging with the big dogs, big time. But bro's bike is nice, man. Nothing against that thing for sure. And if he rides my bike, shoot, he might be a little better with it, but I just got to get used to it. But right now the 1641 feels pretty saucy. 42, I'm worried I'll lose too much mile an hour. Because I feel like I'm able to pull now a little bit. Bike is, man, good run, awesome. Good. Here goes the scenery now. Good run. That sportsmanship, man. Good run, man. line, man. Yeah, man. But boy, that bridge is bumpy. I don't want to do that again. That's for sure. That mug was disrespectful. Yeah, we just straight bouncing. Aria, I don't know what it is about them Kawasaki's, man, but the longer you ride them for the day, the stronger they are, man. We see it on the dyno all the time too. My first pull, just to give you an idea, it made on 93, it was 192 was the first pull of the day once I changed everything. Then like 2 pulls later, it went all the way up to like 202 horsepower. So I mean, for whatever reason, the Kawasaki bikes like to be warmed up and ran for a bit, and they make more power the longer they are and the hotter they are for some reason. I don't know why that is, but I've heard that it's across Kawasaki as a whole. But I can tell you for sure, Aria definitely likes to be ran hard, and she'll just keep on going, man. It's one thing I love about this bike, man. Kawasaki really knocked it out the park with this motor. So honestly, that's part of the reason why I'm kind of debating, like, man, do I really want to put Samco hoses and put the engine ice? I don't really know how cooler it's gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna make it too cool. I'm really not sure. I just need to do some research on that, man. But it likes to be ran hot, whatever reason, you know. And then I service her regularly, so far she hasn't let me down, man. And that's one of the reasons why it was kind of hard for me to part ways with her. She just been such a good bike to me, man. And I ride her hard, man. But I do take care of her. Change the oil frequently, you know, all the normal things. Air pressure checks. Service the chain after long rides like this. That's definitely going to be what I need to do today. Clean and lube the chain again. Double check air pressures and all that. But she is definitely a fighter, big time, man. I just need the seat time with her, and it's going to be all good. Oh my. Well guys, that just about wraps it up for the day. Thanks again for tuning in with your boy K1K. It was a fun adventure out with the boys, with the squad today. That's what it's all about, y'all. Get out there, ride, live your life, do your thing out there. And thanks again, man. If you guys like what you saw, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on social media platforms, and I appreciate you guys sticking with your boy and watching the channel grow and being a part of that, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. Take it easy, y'all. Peace.